Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Carissa.
And I am Haley.
And we are the Yellow Sisters. So dramatic.
We are doing a mukbang today.
Mukbang slash questions.
Who's more likely?
More likely to questions. We have food because we're always eating. And this is from the Lucky Panda down the street. I'm on a diet, so I'm not supposed to be eating this, but because videos got me.
It's really good.
Yeah. So we're gonna get into the questions and eating.
Okay.
Anyways, okay.
This food is good.
So first question.
I'm most likely to accidentally send a text to someone that wasn't meant for someone else.
Me for sure. The amount of times that I do that.
Really?
Do you do that?
I don't really do that.
I do it a lot, but it's never like bad stuff. It's like
It's
I'll screenshot the person's text message and send it to somebody else because I think it's funny. And then I'll send it to them.
Wait, you know what this tastes like? The spicy one? It kind of tastes like a chicken wing.
Oh.
No?
I don't know which one's spicy and which one's not.
I've been getting the spicy one, but it's not spicy like that. Okay.
So you never do that?
No, I really don't. Maybe like back in the day.
It's kind of hot.
Actually, I lied. I did that kind of recently.
Hmm.
Well, I don't know. I don't know. Can't say.
You gotta like play it off like, haha, isn't that funny?
Mm-hmm. I was like, I don't know why I said that, or I told you that again, or something like that. I don't know. It was just not a good situation. Anyways.
Dropped.
Some of these are stupid. Most likely to always be happy. Who asks that?
Well, that would be me.
Yeah. It'd be her.
Because I yell at Haley probably twice a week. I'm like, your vibes off, get away from me. Because you're moody.
I just like to hang out by myself. So when I don't talk, you think I'm being moody, but I'm really just trying to be in my zen of my world. So,
No.
yeah. When I don't talk, I'm just hanging out to myself.
Where are you hanging out at? I'd love to know.
And my thoughts.
Where did you go?
Like when I don't talk, that's me hanging out by myself. Anyways. Most likely to ask for someone else's food.
You?
That's me.
I don't ask. I'm more of a giver of food.
I don't really ask either.
I like have this annoying thing where I always have to offer DJ my last piece of food, but I'm deep down I hope he says no, but he always says yes. So that's what I do. Really, which one is the spicy one? I don't know.
You're not tasting it? I get some spicy ones too. I don't know where they are now.
You got a really big pepper in yours though.
I don't know. I'll eat it later.
Oh my
freaking legs going on. All right, next question, Krista. Do you know it?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Ew.
Most likely to be confrontational.
Most likely to avoid confrontation.
Oh.
God.
You read me the question 8 years ago.
Yeah, I know, but still.
Okay. What was it?
Most likely to avoid confrontation. Honestly, I would say me. Lies. I
I'm
avoid
excited to say me.
Do you really believe that?
Yeah, I'm scared of everything. now.
Carissa, avoid
Yeah,
confrontation. She's the one actually making the confrontation. Did I word that right?
No.
I didn't. Carissa, I don't like confrontation. Me too, there's none. I said, tell them why you do one for your line.
No, because I'm scared of everything now. Everything gives me anxiety.
Carissa, no, you would not.
Yes, I would. You're just jealous because I would.
I'm not jealous of that. I knew it would be me because I don't know how to.
Haley.
I don't know confrontation. What? What do I do?
You kidding me? Every time we go out, you're like, oh, freaking punch her in your face.
Yeah, but
And I'm gonna be like, no. So
I meant as in avoid confrontation, as in like, I don't argue. That's why I avoid confrontation, because if there's a situation, I'm not gonna argue.
I still am confused about the question. I think I got it backwards.
Avoid confrontation. I'm so over that word. Let's not do that one anymore.
Anyways, because it was me.
I know it was me.
So
You guys think it's her or me?
It definitely would be me.
We'll see.
There's a difference between avoiding confrontation and standing up for what you believe in.
I was just thinking of things that you said that as what you believe in. Like, sometimes you're like dramatic and rude to people. So would you like count that as standing up for something you believe in?
Give me an example. When have I been dramatic and rude? When it didn't have a valid point behind it.
I don't know. I can't think off the top of my head. There's so many.
Okay, next question. Because you don't know anything about that one.
Who would be more likely to be a good parent? I would say even.
Yeah.
No, you said me. You're fake.
But no, I feel like the only reason I said me is because I feel like you're just gonna baby your kid and it's gonna grow up to be a brat.
Not really.
Yes, really. You're not gonna discipline your kid.
That's a lie, because I disciplined when the nephews were babies. You were the one to give them everything they wanted, and when they were running around wild, that's when she would leave. And she never changed a diaper.
I still am not going to with my own kid. Me and DJ already discussed it.
She doesn't do any of that stuff. She's like the fun aunt that will do all the fun stuff, and then when the stuff that you need to do, she leaves.
Not true. I literally have disciplined my nephews. And they just love me better. They love me more because I'm full of energy.
Okay.
And you're just laid back. You're a laid back aunt who like sits there and watches cartoons with them, which probably Makai likes.
Shia.
Mm.
Me and Shia be chilling. Okay, so even.
Yeah, I'd say even. But definitely be better than Whitney. I feel like my food's gone nowhere.
What's the next question?
I don't know, where's your freaking phone?
It was
Oh,
more than likely to gossip.
me. I don't know. You're like an undercover gossiper. Now everybody knows. Now you know. Haley won't bring it to the forefront. I'm not really much of a gossiper. I'm more of like a truth teller. So if I'm gonna bring it up, I'm also gonna tell the person that I brought it up.
Okay, don't act like I don't tell people. You're trying to portray me as fake.
No, I didn't say that.
I'm just shady sometimes. Guess I could be taken as fake.
Honestly, every female is, especially today.
Today?
In today's world.
Oh. That you literally meant today. I'm like, what happened today?
No, I don't really gossip. I think it's negative sometimes. The only thing I gossiped lately
Sometimes.
about was Jordan Woods, because that was a lot of tea and I couldn't even, my cup was overflowing.
She was literally like, Haley, when's Red Table Talk? I'm like, Krista, really? Like,
was
I
serious.
actually thought I would know the time, place, and everything. And I'm like, Krista, I don't know.
Everything was really needed to know, you know? And I still need to know more.
The next question, Krista, is specifically for Krista because it's the dumbest question ever.
It's who is more likely to be a government spy? Me. And the reason I say this is because, actually, I don't think I can say it. Let's just say I'm a master hacker. I know codes and I just know things, okay? I'm surprised the government hasn't contacted me right now so that I could work for them, because I'm really good. I'm really good. Because I knew it.
Are you done with that one?
Yeah, I'm done with that one.
Okay, great. This one, most likely to be a humble billionaire.
Me.
Really?
I mean, both of us. I'm already humble and I'm rich, so. No, I'd be humble, but I also would like be aware of people, because I live in LA and there's a lot of people who could be, you know, helping people if they, you know, had generosity in their heart. But I also don't expect nobody to help, and I don't care if they help. But you know, I also remember that. You know what I'm saying? And just know, I'm gonna remember.
Honestly, I would say you.
Oh, you're just gonna be ruthless?
No, I'm gonna be nice. I'll be nice to the people that need to be nice.
No, honestly, we're gonna be nice to people who we don't even know. We already always give our money to like homeless people or people on the streets, so.
That's true. Because Janelle and Jojo started after taking my money when we leave the club because I'd be like drunk and I would give all my money out.
Just this way. What are you talking about?
The loud French.
You can come join our mukbang leadership. We're
doing
saying who is more likely to become a humble millionaire?
Billionaire.
Me?
Billionaire.
Me.
I like how you think you are.
Ooh, I look rough. That's a no for me.
She just pounced down.
You're getting hot from eating? That's like, never mind.
Most likely to be a stingy parent.
Me?
That's how I said it. It's basically kind of both.
Me
I just
because
think of the breadstick situation.
I already used to hide in the closet when I get food around the nephews, so they wouldn't bother me for any.
So weak. Who's likely to be the better parent? Remember that question?
Me?
Who were you?
Huh? Marie? Who's Marie?
I said, what were you?
Huh?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna think of my own. Who's more likely to become overweight?
Me?
Me.
I should already be like a 600 pounds.
600 pounds?
I said most. What? Most likely to be a loser like me. I already am a loser.
I dream of that.
I'm trying to find a really good
But I'll
one.
never be that.
Ew. I'm trying to find a really good one.
Girl! Who's more likely to eat a fried frog for $1 million?
That's what.
Okay, I have a good one.
So you don't want to do that one?
I have a good one. Most likely to set their boyfriend's house on fire.
Honestly, I don't think it would be me.
I was thinking it would be you.
Really?
Actually, it would be Whitney.
It would be Woody.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have time for that.
Mm-mm.
I really don't. Honestly, if it was all of you,
I wouldn't have set it on fire. I just throw rocks in the window.
honestly, the old you, I probably think you would be the one. Ooh, most likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse. Did I just say that right?
Apocalypse.
I never know how to say that word.
You said apocalypse?
Yeah, I don't know how to say it.
Probably me, because I haven't been preparing like you and Janelle.
We've been preparing all our life.
And also, I'm not playing that game. Like, I'm not going everywhere having to be scared all my life. Just freaking eat me.
It just depends on the kind of zombies. Because if it's like livable, then yeah.
Bird Box?
No. And if it's like I Am Legend, no. Because they're track stars. And so there's no point in that. But if it's like regular Dawn of the Dead kind of crap, where they're just roaming around, living.
Ew.
But I'm kind of dumb too, and like I would be
You're making me
like,
grossed out.
say I'm in my room, I would be kind of dumb, and you come in as a zombie. I'm like, Chris, are you playing around? How do you think you're playing around until I get bit? And I'd be the one like, I'm gonna punch you, but I'm not gonna punch you because I'm thinking you're playing around, and then I die. So don't ever act like a zombie.
I wouldn't. I would already go outside and get bit right when they start.
Most likely to be the first to get drunk on a night out. Me.
It depends. We have this thing called One Beer Really. It all started in Kansas. We had all got beer, and all of a sudden me and Haley just got drunk off one beer. So maybe both of us.
It was one really fun time.
It was a One Beer Really.
And we had to be in front of our grandma right after we all got drunk, and we were all trying to act like we weren't drunk.
There was one beer.
No, we had more than one, I swear, before we got to our house.
I just can't believe one beer. I was like,
I'm pretty sure, because I know she knew we were drunk.
freaking mess.
Most likely to be tired of their partner after 2 weeks.
Me. But honestly, I'm tired of everyone after 2 weeks.
2 weeks is a long time. I'd be tired of them before that.
Okay, so then that's you.
Yeah.
You win. I don't know. I get annoyed at them, but then I immediately miss them, like, when I leave.
Yeah. That's why you have a boyfriend and I don't. Because 2 days, maybe even a day is enough for me. Most likely to become a baby again. What?
Me.
I would just say you so you could become one.
Oh, yeah. They want me to be a baby so bad.
She's so cute. I want to play with her.
Do you think my daughter will look like me?
Hopefully. No offense to DJ not saying that like that.
I know.
Hopefully.
Because I think that the girl will look like me, but also kind of look like him. But I also think the boys will look like Caden.
Yeah, it's creepy. Most likely to become a gold digger.
You.
Just kidding. If that was the case, I should be rich and well right now.
Well, you most likely didn't do it yet. One more and then we're done because I'm not eating any more of this food.
I feel like we didn't get any good questions. They have dumb ones on here.
Can't see. Most likely to become a terrorist. I'm just kidding. I will end on this one. Most likely to become a world famous actor or actress model.
That's the one you picked?
Yeah.
Fun. You're supposed to pick ones we don't already know the answer to.
Ew! Sicky. Most likely to bite their disgusting toenail.
Okay, I'm eating.
That would be you.
That would not be me.
Honestly, that would be.
I'm eating. I'm not to be done.
Careful, there's a toenail.
Krista, don't ruin my food.
And then this one, actually, this is good. What? Most likely to break into your neighbor's house. Me, because I'm tired of people and I'll go take your stuff out and put it on the curb.
I was like, wait, neighbor.
That's my neighbor.
Mm-hmm. But lighting is kind of everything.
No.
Is that really the one you're going to end on?
Yep. Hopefully she watched too. Better not get off.
Most likely to cancel their friends.
Both of us.
Honestly.
I cancel a lot of times because, yeah, I feel like I'm bossy. So then when you don't listen to me,
So if it's not her way, then it's no way.
yeah.
Basically the same.
Well, then they always come back and they're like, "You were right." I'm like,
Yeah, so.
"Told you." Anyways, okay, guys, I'm full and I really don't want to eat any more of this food. I'm tired.
I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy. Anyways, thanks for joining us again this week. I'm sorry that all we do is eat because we got a real problem. No, I'm actually on a diet, so like I said, I'm not supposed to be eating this, but I ate it anyway. And that's okay because I'm going to get up tomorrow at 5 in the morning and go work it out.
I have to finish this by tonight.
No, I'm not. If it's not finished by tonight, it ain't going into tomorrow.
Well, then I'll eat it.
Yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye. Bye.
Krista!
All right. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Krista.